Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn the engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Remove the air intake duct by pressing and pulling on the two tabs. Release the two latches. Move the flange cover, then remove the filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. You can now put the new filter in place. Put the flange back on, then lock it in place with the two latches. Put the air inlet conduit back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.